When was it refitted?
Let's see. Probably about a year ago now.
Year ago? Did it go all the way down to the floors, like the stringers, bulkheads, and everything, or?
So let's see. The stringers are solid. These original stringers are super solid, but since we were putting the bracket on and closing the transom, we put these ones in, kind of like tied them in there, like sistered them in there, and they're Coosa.
Okay.
And so that kind of just strengthened it a little bit, you know?
Right.
But yeah, these are the original stringers here, which are solid.
Gotcha.
Yeah, the boat was pretty solid, so. One thing was transom, I mean, obviously, but you go smaller, or something smaller. But then eventually I want to buy like a 31 contender or something. Yeah.
Who did the refit?
Me and my partner Zach did most of it, and then we have an old family friend. He was an old fireman guy. He worked brand new gas tank coated, so they all got ripped up. 150 gallons. So we cut them out basically and put Coosa in there and redid those. But the floor we did not touch. The hatches we did fix some of the hatches. Yeah. Pretty much every day. I was supposed to fly to Key West today and fish that Mayhem tournament. Yeah, the Kingfish one. But yeah.
What's that?
That coaster you got out there. In here, we're already set up for a trolling motor. So we have the big single 36 volt lithium battery, just because we have a smaller console. Engine battery, house battery, and then that big one is the trolling motor battery. And the wiring's already in, so you can just plug the trolling motor in.
Freshwater tanks right there.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, I can put a lot more. We'd like to sell it. Yeah. Like an older one, maybe like a 2006, 2007, 2010. Business, man.
Good.